Welcome to a video walk around from Kelowna Toyota. We are located at 1624 Carey Road in Kelowna, BC, Canada, right here in the heart of the Okanagan. Today we're going to check out this 2018 Toyota Corolla LE. Power for this Corolla comes from a 1.8 liter 4-cylinder engine mounted to an automatic transmission and front wheel drive. It is riding on 16-inch wheels, and from the side we've got color matched door handles and mirrors, and moving around to the front we're going to find a large rigged windshield for excellent visibility as well as a blacked out grille. Inside we have a ton of great features too, so let's hop right in and check it out. So jumping inside, if we check out the door panel over here, we'll find our power locks, windows and mirrors, as well as our wiper blade de-icer. On the left hand side of the steering wheel we've got our audio controls, and moving on over to the right we're going to find our Bluetooth hands-free calling, our display button, as well as our quick buttons for our forward collision mitigation system and our lane keep assist, and down here is your adaptive cruise control. Up here you've got everything you need to keep you going, and then moving on over to the center dash we have an AM/FM stereo with a Bluetooth, and you can go in there into setup and have everything looking exactly the way you want it. Moving down we've got our electronic climate control with air conditioning, and right below that we're going to find our front heated seat controls as well as your auxiliary power and USB inputs. On the center console we've got our traction control right there as well. So let's hop out and take a look at what's going on around back and what we have for trunk space. Moving around back we're going to find our Toyota, our Corolla, and our LE badging, and to get into the trunk you can just hold down on your key fob and it will pop the trunk right open for you. Inside we have a whole ton of cargo space, and those back seats do fold down 60/40, which gives you the option for expanding that while still carrying passengers. Thank you very much for taking the time to check out this 2018 Toyota Corolla LE with me. If you would like to see it for yourself, come to 1624 Carey Road right here in Kelowna. If you got questions before making the trip, you can call us Monday to Saturday or find us online anytime at KelownaToyota.com to get all the details and specs on this Corolla and to browse the rest of our new and used inventory. I hope everybody's doing fantastic. Please drive safe, and we look forward to seeing you soon.